In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WebFlow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from your WebFlow project into the Google Site Tools app and start a new Google Tag Manager account, all within a clean, guided flow. Start at your browser and search for WebFlow on Google. This is the quickest way to land on the official site if you don't have the URL handy. Click the official WebFlow result to proceed. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account that owns or has access to the project you want to work on. Being in the correct workspace matters, especially if you manage multiple clients or sites. Once you're in your WebFlow dashboard, locate the project you want and click View Site. This takes you into the project context so you can access the tools connected to that specific site. If your interface shows slightly different labels, that's fine. The key is to open the project you intend to configure. Inside your project, find the Apps section. Depending on your view, you might see it in a sidebar or in the top navigation. Apps is where integrations live, so this is where you'll connect Google's tools without touching code. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding panels or switching from the live site view into the project's editor interface. From the Apps area, look for Google Site Tools for WebFlow and select it. This app bundles popular Google services so you can manage them in one place. It's designed to keep setup straightforward and consistent across your site. Next, click Launch App. The first time you open it, you might be asked to review or allow permissions. That's expected, and it ensures the app can securely communicate with your WebFlow project and your Google account. Give it a moment to load. Performance can vary depending on your browser and connection. Inside the app, choose Manage Settings. Think of this as the control room for your Google connections. This is where you'll review what's linked, make changes later if you need to, and start new configurations for your site. Finally, click Create Tag Manager Account. This begins the process of setting up a Google Tag Manager account specifically for your site. You may be asked to confirm your Google login and provide basic details like an account or container name. Use clear, recognizable names so everything stays organized. If you already have a Tag Manager account, the app may show existing options, but creating a new one here keeps the flow tidy and site-specific. And that's the full path. Search WebFlow, open your project, go to Apps, launch Google Site Tools, manage settings, and create your Tag Manager account. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and you're set to manage tags cleanly from one place.